Animal rights advocates filled the Rochester City Council chamber tonight. We begin with a call for change from those advocates. This after a dog was found dead and 4 others in distress at a home yesterday. Ryan Hermanit brings us some of the reforms they want from city leaders.
We want justice! We want justice!
Dozens of animal activists rallied in front of City Hall tonight, demanding accountability from local leaders after a dog was found dead at a home on 3rd Street yesterday.
There's laws in place. They're not enforcing them. That's all we want. Please enforce the laws that are here.
One organization who attended was Against All Odds, an animal rights group who filed suit against the Rochester Police Department last month. In that lawsuit, they claim RPD officers are not intervening when necessary to remove animals from situations of neglect. Co-director Matthew Albert says what happened yesterday is another example of that.
You know, I'm not a law and order guy necessarily, but they indulged him and enabled him to basically, wreak havoc and execute a reign of terror over these dogs. They are protecting the abuser and they are persecuting the protectors.
Former Rochester City Court Judge Leticia Estacio owns the home where this all happened. She tells me she hasn't spoken to the tenant who owns the dogs, but is in the process of filing for eviction.
Animal abuse is a crime, and there was no reason for them to wait until this animal was deceased. They said that they were checking on the dogs. They never checked on them. If they would have seen that no one was checking.
Many of these activists came here to City Hall and spoke in front of city council members, urging them to expand protections for these animals and prevent cases of neglect from happening. Some of the suggestions they have for lawmakers is to pass anti-breeding legislation and to establish an animal cruelty unit within RPD, specifically tasked with handling cases of neglect.
We need to stop backyard breeding. We need support for our rescues, shelter, and colony caretakers.
You guys, RPD, Humane Society Law Enforcement, are failing us miserably. Miserably.
At City Hall, Ryan Hermanit, News 8.
Lollipop Farm released a statement about the dogs found on 3rd Street. A spokesperson says in part, quote, humane investigators respond to reports of animal cruelty and neglect and work with various agencies, including law enforcement, animal control, municipal partners, and community organizations to ensure New York State animal protection laws are upheld. Their full statement is with this article at rochesterfirst.com.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 on demand, plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.